Here we have a 2020 20-plate Nissan Navara DCI N-Guard. Now with this vehicle you do get 4 superb unscratched unmarked 20-inch Predator aftermarket alloy wheels in unscratched unmarked condition. Now they're all wrapped in all-terrain Toyo off-road tyres. We have the wide arch kit fitted to this vehicle. It sits very nicely with those Predator alloy wheels, LED headlights, the lower nudge bar just down there as well, with the black front grille with the gloss black lettering. We have the sunroof, which is currently open, roof bars just up there as well, side steps on either side, decals on the sides of the Navara there as well in yellow, privacy glass on the rear with the blacked out styling, so with all the bars all over the vehicle, the black paintwork and also the black wheels, a very stealthed out look for this Navara. We have the bars on the back with your mountaintop roll. We also have that rear little lip, looks very nice indeed. We also have the bar just down there as well. Parking sensors with 360-degree cameras, so one in the front grille, 2 underneath the wing mirrors, and one on the rear tailgate. Tinted rear lights, does look absolutely incredible. Very blacked out stealth look on this vehicle, which really does make it stand out from the rest. Now it's free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and really does look superb from every angle. Taking a look in the rear, if we go to the back, you can see we do have the full leather seats throughout with the fabric accents, ISOFIX points just there as well, yellow stitching all over the seats as well. We also have the storage pan, the passenger driver's seat, electric windows in the back. Going to the front, there's a look at the driver's front seat. Electrically adjustable, both driver and passenger are also heated. We do have the multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter. Looking down here, you have your stop start on and off. You also have your traction control on and off. Electric windows, electric power folding mirrors. Jumping inside the car, you can see it is free from any warning lights on the dashboard and has covered just over 17,000 miles. We have your keyless start button there is up there. Looking up here, 12-volt connectivity with a storage tray. Screen just in the centre, where you can find your satellite navigation. You have your Bluetooth phone connectivity, audio where you can have DAB radio. Click on source, you have AM, FM, DAB, Bluetooth audio, aux. You have Apple CarPlay and also USB just there as well, as you can see just there. Back onto menu, you have your map, connections, lots of different settings there as well. Pop it into reverse, you can see the 360-degree cameras just there. So the top down view and also the rear view, nice addition to have. Dual zone climate control just down here. Coming down there we have your 2-wheel drive high, 4-wheel drive high and also 4-wheel drive low for all those off-road rides. Downhill ascent assist, 12-volt connectivity. USB with your aux and another storage tray down there. Very smooth, it's 6-speed manual gearbox, goes in all the gears exactly how you'd expect it to. 2 heated front seats in the front, nice size cup holders, storage tray under the soft touch leather armrest, and there's a look at the passenger's front seat. Looking up, you have the sunroof. Press a button, it'll then close, and I'll show you the process of it closing, exactly how I'd expect it to, and also your manual blind. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. This HPI Clear comes with a fresh service and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.